welcome back to my channel, that is Style It My Way. So guys, today's video is a very special one because in today's video I'll be reviewing some of my favorite perfumes, and yes, some of my latest favorite perfumes. And you guys already know that I totally love fragrances a lot. So in today's video I'll be reviewing some of my recent purchases. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And also guys, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, all the perfumes are here and let's review them one by one. So guys, first of my favorites is this one from Titan Skin, and this is called Pristine Eau de Perfume, and I got this one from Nykaa and of course on sale. एंड जब मैंने खरीदा था तो इसका प्राइस था ₹450 फॉर 20 ml, एंड आई पर्सनली लव दिस परफ्यूम अ लॉट. It somewhat reminds you of a refreshing drizzle of a spring morning. And guys, the fragrance of this one is so pleasant. And it is very gentle, and it has a woody fragrance. It has citrus top notes and patchouli and musk finish. And Titan Skin products are dermatologically tested and they are very much skin friendly, so you can use them on your skin directly. And you can see the bottle, it is a transparent bottle, तो आपको easily पता चल जाएगा कि आपने कितना perfume use किया है. And it is very sleek and slim bottle, and I love this packaging a lot. So guys, yes, you can try this one definitely. और ये Nykaa purple.com पे आपको easily मिल जाएगा. Guys, I don't remember the notes of all these fragrances, so I have just copied it here. So yes, I'll be telling you by reading it from here. So the top notes are mandarin, lemon, green, cardamom. Heart notes are marine hearts and clove. Base notes are patchouli, cedar and musk. Guys, it is non-fruity floral fragrance, and it is long lasting. It is very much gentle to your skins, and it is a good perfume. So yes, you can definitely try this one. Guys, next one is this Black Beauty from Body Shop, and the packaging looks like this. It is completely black and it has a golden sticker over it with its name, that is Black Musk Night Bloom. And this is somewhat inspired by the flowers that bloom at night to reveal their secret scents. This is 100% vegan and cruelty free product, and I got this from Nykaa obviously on sale, and it costed me ₹1,890 that time on sale. And actual price is ₹2,295. So yes, I purchased it specially for my birthday, and yes, I love this fragrance a lot. If you guys are looking for some intense and long lasting fragrance, then you must definitely purchase this one. I personally use this for night parties and it works great. So yes, you must check this one also. So guys, most of you might not be aware of eau de toilette and eau de perfume differences. पहले मैं भी बहुत confused होती थी कि ये eau de toilette क्या है and eau de perfume क्या है. Like both are fragrances, so how to differentiate कि हमें क्या purchase करना है. तो बेसिकली जो इनका मेजर डिफरेंस होता है वो होता है इनके कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ऑयल. eau de perfume usually has higher concentration of oils in it, and eau de toilette usually has lower concentration of oil. तो जितना ज्यादा concentration of oil होता है उतनी ही ज्यादा fragrance strong होती है. So if you guys are looking for some strong and intense fragrances, then you must definitely purchase eau de perfume, and it is a great option for night. And if you guys are looking for some gentle fragrances which can be used on a day-to-day basis, then you must definitely purchase eau de toilette. So guys, next one is this one from UCB, that is United Colors of Benetton, and this one is called United Dreams Be Strong, and I got this in 60 ml. And guys, the fragrance is so good, and also I must tell you that this is not a women's fragrance and it is a men's fragrance. But yes, I loved it so much that I purchased it for myself, and I don't mind using men's fragrance. So guys, yes, this is my personal favorite too. I love this fragrance a lot, although it's a men's fragrance, but it doesn't matter. It's my choice. So guys, this one is for people with strong personality. It has a spiced flavor. It has fruity hints of grapefruit, lime and mandarin, and the top notes are also same, grapefruit, lime and mandarin. And the heart notes are jasmine, ginger and pink pepper, and the base notes are cedarwood and citrus. It combines floral scents, jasmine and ginger. It combines a mix that is energized by flower and cedarwood. So if you're looking for a fragrance that is gentle and can be used easily on a day-to-day basis and that gives you a refreshing feel, then you must definitely purchase this one. So guys, last one is this, that is Eau de Pore LA. I got this one from Nykaa, and this was actually recommended to me by one of my friends. And guys, I don't know what brand is this, but it is a France-based perfume, and yes, it's a must-try perfume because I personally love this fragrance as well. Guys, the packaging looks like this. It is very glamorous and feminine bottle. It is actually very cute. You can look at the bottle. It is very much handy. You just have to spray it on your pulse points and you're good to go. And it is an accord of rose, jasmine, lily of the valley, and a bed of white musk. The top notes in this one are pear, Sicilian and bergamot, and the base notes are sandalwood, white musk, tonka bean, bourbon, vanilla, and it is somewhat like sexy and alluring perfume without being overpowering, and it is an evening perfume and it easily lasts for 5 to 6 hours. The smell is really amazing and it is a very sensual one, so if you are looking to impress someone, then you can definitely purchase this fragrance. And guys, I will give the links in the description box of all the fragrances, so if you want to purchase, you can check the description box. So guys, that's all for today. जल्दी मिलेंगे एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ. तब तक आप लोग मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. Till then, goodbye, take care.